The Court Administration Division says it is assessing the recently concluded Traffic Ticket Court Day in St. Catherine. Of the close to 10,000 tickets listed, the majority were settled. Still, it represents a tiny percentage of the total number of outstanding tickets in the parish. Jamaica Maitland reports.
There were 9,482 traffic ticket-related matters listed before the St. Catherine Parish Court for its special sitting on March 4. Director of Communications at the Court Administration Division, CAD Kadish Jarrett Fletcher, provided the latest statistics.
We were able to treat with 6,139 of those tickets, which means that 3,343 tickets, not persons, were not dealt with on the day because the persons did not turn up for court.
And although majority of cases were addressed, it represents just about 3% of the actual outstanding traffic tickets in St. Catherine. As for those who did not show up,
we are first going to reach out to those persons who registered and did not turn up. Have them listed for court, for night court between now and the end of April. If they do not turn up at that point, then the legal process for the court will flow, which may include the issuance of warrants. But we are not issuing the warrants for those persons immediately. We're giving them another opportunity to come before the court.
At first, the CAD said only registered motorists would be allowed to have their matters settled on the day. But Mrs. Jarrett Fletcher says after learning that some people traveled far distances, they were seen on a case-by-case basis. Others were given dates for night court.
Rather than turn them away because they are subjecting themselves to the jurisdiction of the court, we tried to accommodate them because we recognized that one of our courtrooms was not as busy as we had planned, and so we were able to facilitate some of those.
More traffic ticket days are being considered for other parishes. The comms director would not say which parish they go next, only that St. Catherine and Kingston and St. Andrew have the most outstanding traffic tickets. She's encouraging motorists not to wait on traffic ticket day, but to settle their outstanding matters immediately or risk being arrested on a warrant.
Remember, you can go into any of the parish courts, indicate that you have outstanding traffic tickets, and you will receive another date to come to traffic court. So you don't have to wait for us to organize another big traffic ticket day before your traffic ticket is dealt with. Now, for the motorists who would have received the tickets in the parishes of Kingston and St. Andrew, I want to caution them especially because that is a court that is up to date in terms of the issuing of warrants. That means if you have outstanding traffic tickets in that parish, you have missed your court date, it is almost 90% or 95% certain that a warrant could be out for you.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.